Macan 360 surround camera retrofit kit. The package includes 4 cameras, 2 side mirror cover bracket. We have the front bumper bracket for the camera, rear bumper bracket, and then we have the control module mount, and plug and play retrofit harness. And what else? This is what we have: the screw and the fuse for the bracket, and then we have cable tie, also genuine parts, and then we have this, the ground point O-ring. So that's the package for the Macan 360 surround cam retrofit kit. Okay, we had our rear camera installed, and then now is fixing back the rear bumper. Okay, let me show you. This is where the control module is seated. We got a control module mount here, and running all the wiring. For the power source point and the cam bars we're using here, all plug and play one. No need to cut or trim or slice it or wiring.